Hello guys, so today we have the new DJI Mini 3 Pro. So again guys, let's unbox and check the DJI Mini 3 Pro, what's inside the box. Again, let's start now guys. So ayan, this is the box from the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So it's smaller compared for the DJI Mini 2. And ayan, it's a square type guys. So ayan. Again, so the application is DJI Fly App. It's I think it's similar with the DJI Mini. And guys, so DJI Mini 2, it's similar application that you're gonna use, guys. So yeah. Again, the weight of the drone is 249 grams, similar with the previous one. So okay, let's start unbox now this DJI Mini 3 Pro. So charan! Yeah. Again, the application DJI Fly. So yeah, you can scan through your iOS device and Android device. So again, what's inside the box? First, you have the drone itself. Natin ito. Then at the bottom, you have already the new, like a smart controller. It's like an LCD and a small box. So yeah, that's the what's inside the box of this DJI Mini 3 Pro. So ayan. So first, let me open this here. You have the DJI Mini 3 Pro manuals, of course. Manuals, stickers, yan. So ano yan? Ano dyan? And again, you have your USB-C to USB-C. And you have your, like a small screw or Allen key type, or screw or Allen key. I think it's a small screw. So, yan. And you have your propeller. You have extra propeller here. Again, so let's open this is your DJI smart controller. So, ang angas guys. Again, at the back, you have already your, the stick of the controller. Ayan, kaangas guys, di ba? Okay. This is the controller. Ayan, may C1, C2. O dyan, sync. Ito, ang controller. And USB-C for charging the device itself. Post micro SD. So it's already with the micro SD, guys. So similar with the FPV, they have already the micro SD to record, guys. Yan. And again, the drone itself. So eto siya, guys. Ang cute, oh. I think mas malaki pa yung smart controller. Yeah. So this is the drone itself, guys. Ayan, ang kulit, oh. Oh, panalo. See? Yan guys, again, open, and this is the drone itself guys. Ang ganda, parang it's like a Mavic 3, a mini type of Mavic 3. And so the battery, this area, ito yung battery niya, of course, SD card, micro SD, and USB-C. So, ayan, this is the DJI Mavic Mini 3 Pro. So, ayan, nakalagay, so, E24 f1.7. So, the lens is 24mm sighting and the aperture is 1.7. So, ganda sa low light. And, ayan, kakaiba yung gimbal niya. Sensor, I think, dito pa. Sa back, wala. So, ayan guys, again, this is the DJI Mavic Mini 3 Pro. And again guys, if you want to order or pre-order the Mavic Mini 3 Pro, we have available in our website www.abworld.com. So again, if you want to order or pre-order the DJI Mavic Mini 3, just go to our website www.abworld.com. I think that's it for today, guys. Yan, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. Ang PBK 2.0 na si Palaboy FW, si Brian at si Junius. So again, guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.